let's start the process. Before we start, make sure you hit on the subscribe button to support your brother so we can reach our dream. Thank you for do that. Now let's start. Press on the up volume and the power at the same time. Press and hold on the up volume and the power at the same time. Let's start. Up, power. When you see the screen light, leave the power and hold on the up volume. Now we are going to remove no command. So press the up and the power button at the same time like this. Play like this. Play. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Play. So now use the down volume to move. And select more, the last one. Select more and press the power and select web data and press the power and select yes and press the power. Check the link below the description how to bypass Tecno H399 without PC and hit on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. Now press power to reboot your phone.